Hello everyone! For today's video is how to pay our Shopee Pay Later bills without fees. Kung ikaw ay may bills sa Pay Later sa Shopee, may mga payment methods na pwede natin pamilian. But kung gusto nyong ang inyong Pay Later payment is free of charge, pay your bills on time, at gamitin ang payment method na to. Okay, if you're interested, just keep on watching and hit like and subscribe button. I-open lang po natin ang ating Shopee application. Then dito po sa bottom right corner ay i-click po natin tong Me icon. Then click is Pay Later. Okay, so tingnan po na muna natin itong aking bill. So ito po yung aking upcoming bill and yung due date po is April 5, 2025. Ang aking upcoming bill is 433.36. Okay, back lang po natin. And pwede naman po natin i-pay early kahit hindi pa po dumating sa kanyang due date. Okay, then i-click po natin itong Pay Early. If you want to pay your bills in advance and if you have multiple months, choose the upcoming bills you want to pay. So halimbawa, i-select nyo po yung months starting from the nearest month. Pwede naman isa lang muna, pwede multiple months. So dahil sa akin na isa lang naman, so ito lang ang nakaselect. Okay, then click na natin tong Pay Now. And then mag-select po tayo ng payment method. Okay, click natin tong payment method. So, nandito po yung mga payment method. May InstaPay, Cbank, ShopeePay, Payment Center or e-wallet, over-the-counter, and online banking. Click this arrow down for option. So, dito sa online bank, dito sa akin ay Landbank ATM Online and Robinson Bank Online Banking Bills Payment. Okay, and dito naman sa over-the-counter, so wala po sa akin. Dito naman sa e-wallet, may 7-Eleven Click, GCash, SM Bills Payment, Cebuana Wheeler Bills Payment, and Palawan Pawn Shop. So, pwede po tayo dito pumili sa e-wallet. Kapag 7-Eleven, ang payment po is minimum 50 pesos at may 2% additional fee. Kapag GCash naman, minimum payment is 50 pesos and may 2% additional fee. Okay? And yung handling fee is 1%. So, may additional fee po dito sa e-wallet. Okay? At dito naman po kung naka-activate po ang inyong Cbank, pwede po nyong gamitin as payment method yung inyong Cbank. Pwede din po Shopee Pay. Okay? Kapag may balance po kayo sa Shopee Pay, ay pwede nyo pong gamitin as payment method yung inyong Shopee Pay. Okay, and dito naman sa InstaPay, dito po ay free and instant payment with GCash, Maya, banks, and other e-wallets. Okay, i-try po natin tong InstaPay kasi dito po ay walang additional fee. Okay, dito po sa e-wallet ay may additional fee na 2%. And dito po sa InstaPay ay free of charge. Okay, click natin to InstaPay. And then, click Confirm. And click natin tong Pay in Full. And then, isave po natin tong QR code. Click Save QR code. Okay, then next step. Puntahan natin ang ating GCash application. Okay, click natin tong GCash application. And mag-login po tayo gamit ang ating 4-digit MPIN. Okay, then kapag nandito na po kayo sa homepage ni GCash, i-click nyo po itong QR scanner. Okay, dito po sa baba. Click natin to. May dalawang choices dito, generate QR or upload QR. Okay, i-click natin tong upload QR. And i-upload po natin yung QR code na ni-save natin kanina. Okay, click natin yan. So yun guys, makikita natin dito ay wala pong additional fee na ang total payment natin ay 433.36. Kagaya po ng nasa Shopee is pay later. Okay, then click na natin to pay 433.36 pesos. And my payment was successfully processed and i-download lang po natin as a proof of payment. Okay, click download. Then, balik na po tayo sa homepage. So, ayan, nabawasan na nga po yung aking available balance sa aking GCash account. And successfully payment via QR code. Okay, then, balik na po tayo sa ating Shopee account. And, ayan, payment successful. Okay, tingnan natin yung pay later. And yung available credit ko po ay naging 7,500 ulit. Okay, so wala na po akong utang. Okay, tingnan natin yung aking bill. At ayan, ang aking upcoming bill for April 5, 2025 ay paid na po. Okay, ganun lang po magbayad sa pay later gamit ang InstaPay via GCash. Sana po ay nakatulong po itong video sa inyo. At kung natulungan po kayo, hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.